Welcome to Masteriyo Tutorials. In this video, we will learn about our premium add-on assignments. Want to make your courses more interesting? Enabling assignments, you can create and assign tasks to your students. First, install and activate any premium plan of Masteriyo plugin. Then, go to Add-ons. From here, enable the Assignments add-on. Then, navigate to Masteriyo, Courses. Select the course where you want to add an assignment. Then go to Course Builder settings. Now from here, click on Add New Content. Here you will now find Add New Assignment. Now you can add the following details such as your assignment name, description, total points, pass points, due date, and maximum file upload size. After you're done, don't forget to publish your assignment. Then click on Update to save settings. Now your assignments are ready to go. Then from your Masteriyo dashboard, you can look into assignment submissions of your students, either by their username, email, or by courses. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries regarding any of the steps, you can contact our support team. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.